a good Guyanese guy here, won 200 instead of one. I remember him. Starbrook Market back over here. Yeah, look again. Okay, back in the building. Whoops. Action. Back to the madhouse. Grab my dollar one time. I think I just come into the jungle. These bastards here. This money I got, first of all. Oh, I got my toilet paper. Yeah, it's real. I got my toilet paper. Guyana. There's still toilet paper in Guyana. Yeah. Most of all, these niggas sell a lot of liquor. It's a liquor country. A lot of drinking out here. All right, so this is the pre-New Year's walk. I took a boat to go to the other side, see what's over there. Okay, now I'm back walking. I'm gonna fast forward this, so if it goes, if it does that, just know that I'm fast forwarding. Hold on, I got a walking partner right here. Yeah. Okay. So no English, obviously. Okay. All right. A lot of fruits. Right? That's it. A lot of fruits. I'll get you started, Diane. Get all these fruits. Go pick some fruit. A lot of fruits. I'm on these boats right now. Oh, you got to put on our life jacket. Okay, all right. Guyana, we got the stelling. We're about to get on this boat. Big ship. We'll get on this boat. Up. Okay. One going out. There we go. Alright, so this is started. Which one we getting on? The one coming in? Why not this one?
This one goes out.
Huh?
This off, so this off. Somebody's storing. He can't afford back to go. He break over. He got to.
So what?
He's coming down for no to go.
So we jumping on this. I'm about to get on this boat right here. Watch where I'm going. This dock. About to jump on this bad boy right here. Up. All right, I see. Step right here. Right there, like that. Water, boats, water. All right. Oh, jeez. All right. So what I gotta say? You sit to the side here. It's good right here? Good. You got a life jacket. See some things coming in, huh? Yeah, look at that. All right. We're in the building. Gotta put on some life jacket. Okay, we got a boat. Oh, good. This is mine. Throw this on real quick. Right.
Okay, Jack.
No, not good. Yeah? Shoot. This feels a little rough. Okay, here we go. Rocky. A little rocky. Hey, it's a little rocky. There's a boat there. Little Shang, Chinese boat. Alright, so the boat flying. Where it's going, but I'm going. Yeah. Big kid. Touchdown. Touchdown. Just realized we're hot as hell. Huh? Damn, I'm gonna have to dirty their eyes. What's going on, man? These niggas just love arguing to us. More people. Alright, so we out this boat. Just took my little walk. Try to figure out what's going on. Oh shoot. Yeah. I remember this. Yes I am. Yeah man. So which one I go back on? That one? Oh, that was good. Nice. Say hi, say hi. Say hi, say hi. Okay, so, oh, it sounds calmer over here. Reason what? Oh, it sounds a little quieter over here. Right? It sounds... Where? Oh, it sounds quieter over here. Oh, so I'm going back to the madhouse. Okay. Alright, I'm gone. I'll see you later, alright? That's good. Alright, Simone.
You're full, man?
Yeah, you full. There you go. Good. Thank you. Good? Yeah, man. One more. Good. Enough. Yes, sir. In the back? You said the what?
200, going for 200.
This is 200? Man, I said 200.
200 Guyana, not US Guyana.
You said one. I mean, you said two. Oh, this nigga try to play me, dog. I got you on video talking crazy. That's it.
You have another one? You need another one?
This nigga is bugged out. That nigga tried to tell me $200. You heard that? He tried to tell me 200. Criminal. Where my vest at? I didn't even get a vest. He told me $200. Come on. Action.
You got the licks, you quack up, you right? You gotta get licks.
Licks? Alright, who you giving licks to? Huh? How much for your toilet tissue?
600.
600. Hold on, let me make sure that's 600. Say what's up, Brooklyn. Oh, now you playing shy? What's going on over here? All that mouth lashing people. Come, you look attentive. Right here. Come say what's up. Huh? Say hello to me. Say what's up, Arlos. Say what? I'm not a Rasta man. Oh, look. Yeah. Huh? Thank you, all right? Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Have a good night. Bad man, huh? Bad man. Oh, we got some drama. All right. I think I just saw some drama 2 seconds ago, but it don't count. The guy was homeless, so punching a homeless guy don't count. So keep going. Real out here, yes I am. Yeah man. Yeah. All right, go jump in the dollar van. These niggas like they're hunting for dollars. Everybody here look hungry and thirsty, but not for knowledge. They ain't hungry and thirsty for God's knowledge. They're hungry and thirsty for your pockets. Yeah, that's what they're hungry and thirsty for. Yeah. Look, New Year's Eve. Be 2 seconds. Yeah. My last Guyana video for the new year. When I go about my business, I'll come back, show you guys where the hell I went next. Alright? Come back and make more dirty Guyana videos. Yeah. Real quick. Right. Walking into the jungle of Guyana, which is, I call 14th Street of Guyana. I left Times Square. This one is called 14th Street of Guyana. I'm about to get on one of these vans right here. And I should go to my destination. How about that? Yeah, maybe it's just south and then they take it somewhere else around. Where this bus going? Lodge? Where's one going? South? Lodge too? What guy out there? This? Guyana, this is how it's going down. From the balcony. What's that? Is that birds? That's birds, it's crazy. Look at that. That's interesting. Look at that. It scared the crap out of the birds. scanning the skies. I'm scanning the skies. Look at that, the birds is flying away. Clearing the trees. They're clearing the trees. Look at that. You scare the birds out of the trees. Happy New Year's, Guyana. Happy New Year's. I brought it in with you. I brought it in with you. Hopefully you'll clean up this bum ass place for the New Year's. You pick up all that firecracker residue off the streets, out to the bushes. Go clean up your mess now. Happy New Year's, Guyana. Happy New Year's. Can't say I didn't show you no love. Can't say I didn't show you no love. I didn't want New Year's catch me in the street. I'm not a street rat. 'Bus in it. They're letting it go. They're letting it go. They're in a dud. Somebody's firecracker was sound like a dud. 4 minutes of fireworks.